Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for the new Mercedes AMG GLE 53 Hybrid. GLE or the GLE Coupe, you get the same uncompromising performance DNA. But what really drives this car is our cutting-edge operating system, MBUX. We just introduced it to the S-Class, and now it's coming to the GLE 2. It's our latest software architecture that enables over-the-air updates to transform every GLE to an intelligent companion. On top of it is the MBUX superscreen that comes as standard. And our new AI-powered MBUX virtual assistant uses natural language, which makes interaction with the vehicle even more convenient. On the outside, our latest digital light technology is now also approved in the US, helping you to anticipate the road ahead. And talking about safety and driving comfort, a variety of assistance systems like Distronic finally comes as standard for all GLE models in the US. And taking it even one step further is MB Drive Assist Pro, our point-to-point driving experience. This fantastic system, developed in partnership with NVIDIA, will enable seamless and safe assisted driving.
Well, yeah, and beyond that, we brought back the true customer favorite, the rocker and roller steering wheel controls. And as one of the largest in its class, the panoramic sunroof now comes as standard, surrounding you with space and light. And with 7,700 pounds of towing capacity, the GLE confidently takes on boats, campers, well, or horse trailers.